slowly, O Lord, for thou hast lifted me up, and hast not made my foes to rejoice over me, O Lord. My God, I cried unto thee, thou hast healed me. Oh Lord, thou hast brought out my soul from the grave. Thou hast kept me alive that I should not go down to the pit. But a moment, when His favor is light, weeping may endure for a night, but joy